Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you here at the Holiday Inn, San Diego, Bayside. Let's take a look inside. The lighting's kind of dim, but here's the entryway. Start with the main bedroom. There's two queens. You have a lamp in the center and on the side of the beds. Phone in the middle, remote. TV in the center. A working space to the right. You have dresser space. A fridge. And coffee maker, which are complimentary. Pass by the thermostat to the bathroom, your closet near the bathroom entrance. There's the sink. You have towels below, hand towels. Spare toilet paper, 2 toilet papers. The bathtub, you have a bath mat so you don't slip. Your shampoos, conditioner, body wash, and towels. And just an overview of the sink area, and that completes the tour. Hope you enjoy. Until next time.